So I'm sitting here trying to do yoga. And I got this going on right behind me. Maybe I'll just go back to bed.